Hi, y'all. I'm Billy Pumpkin, and this is Miranda Pumpkin.
Hi.
We're here from Georgia. We got sent here to New York because, well, my job is a farmer. Well, down in Georgia, people aren't very nice to us, so we thought out north would be nicer, but turned out not to be. People here are not very nice.
No.
They are Yankees, and Yankees are not very nice people. Are they, Miranda?
I guess not. They ain't being too nice to us lately.
Well, can I have $5 to go to the store and get some milk? And put that in my rolls. Oh yeah, our puppy's in here somewhere. Weren't we looking for Tinkerbell?
Yes.
Here's Tinkerbell. See, she's worming on my rolls. Yep, so this is a right set. Can you guys hear me? Cause I got hear myself. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow, you're on chapter 47?
Yeah. You should get on You should get on off to the store.
Why? I need to get you some Christmas presents, you know.
Okay.
My lady.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Bye? No. These are nice viewers watching us. And I don't even want to watch my own life, so. Dumb Miranda. Put your jacket on. You're gonna freeze you. What's this? Is this your stomach?
Yes.
You have a big stomach. Hey, what's this?
It's my shoulder.
Oh.
Go to the store already.
Okay, well, I have to go to the store. Well, we'll be back soon. Just bye, y'all.